Hey everyone, today we've got the 16 color gel set from Gellen. First impression, the packaging is sleek. I love the compartments that keep them in place. I purchased the swatch stickers from Amazon and I'm putting them on my nail stand, so let's get started. The quality is definitely on point. Every single one of these shades went on so smoothly. So if you're looking to add a bunch of new colors to your gel polish collection, this set is a great way to go. And I love the variety. There's something for every occasion. Let me know which color is your favorite in the comments and what kind of nail art you would like to see. To me, it's giving spring, so it's perfect for the upcoming season. I'll be sure to link this set in the description below if you want to grab it for yourself. Now let's take a look at all the beautiful colors. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Gellen, and see you in the next one.